Good morning, children. I am very fond of playing games, especially badminton and chess. When I was in school, I used to play football, cricket, and basketball. Children, which game do you like most? Cricket, football, chess, basketball, or badminton? Okay, let's talk about some sports. Yes, can you identify these famous sports personalities? I hope you know them. Yes, Saina Nehwal and PV Sindhu. Yes, you are right. They are associated with badminton. The terms related to badminton are smash, bird, angled, drive serve. Now, next, identify her and with which game is she associated? I think that you are very close to the answer. Yes, she is Mary Kom and she is associated with boxing. The terms related to boxing are punch, cut, and hook. Now, next, can you tell me the terms dribbling and pivot are related to which sports? Have you ever heard them? They are related to basketball. Yes, now next. Can you tell me name of this game? Just try to identify it. The terms related to it are bunting, diamond, and home. It is baseball. Next, can you identify these famous Indian players of billiards? I hope you would have heard their name. They are Pankaj Advani and Geet Sethi. Right. The terms associated with billiards are cue, cannon, and pot. Okay. Now let's move ahead. Identify this game. You would have seen people playing it in some movies. Yes, it is bridge. The terms related to it are dummy, grand slam, and revoke. Now, next, identify this famous sports person. He belongs to chess. Yes, you are absolutely right. I think he is Vishwanathan Anand. Terms related to chess are bishop, checkmate, and grandmaster. Now, let's talk about the most popular game in India. Identify these players. I think that most of you would know them. Yes, Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. Terms related to cricket are ashes, duck, and googly. Now, next, terms hoops, mallet, and peg out are associated with croquet. My dear children, this game is played with a wooden or plastic ball and it is hit with a mallet. Now, today's last sports. Let's talk about identify this player. He is associated with football. Yes, he is Sunil Chetri. Corner kick, goal, and penalty shootout are the terms related to it. So today it is first part of chapter 15 in GK. The title of the chapter is World of Sports. The next half part will be discussed in the next class.